quite positive. So I think I'm quite interested in the actual market.
As the Arctic melts, sea levels are rising, which will eventually harm every species on this planet. So it is important we take action now. The main reason why the Arctic melts is because of plastic. There's two ways how plastic causes the Arctic melt. The most unknown reason is that studies recently
How the youth are combating these environmental conservation issues.
So this is the Instax Mini Evo. This camera में you can edit कैमरा के अंदर ही आप edit कर सकते थे और इसके अंदर ही आप वो कर सकते थे जैसे सॉफ्ट फोकस प्ले। तो इसमें था कि आप डिजिटल भी ले सकते थे और पोलरॉइड भी ले सकते थे।
Okay.
तो these are the Polaroids I took. So इसमें when I actually got serious about photography, this was the first camera I bought, Canon
Okay.
EOS 60D.
Oh wow, that's cool.
तो इसमें I learned about manual camera जैसे कि ISO, aperture, composition के how does it work.
Okay.
So with this, these were some of the photos I took. इस कैमरा के साथ और इस कैमरा के साथ, and this was the editing के साथ मैंने किया कैसे किया। The editing process I used was Adobe Lightroom.
Okay.
So you can see कि यहाँ 2 examples हैं इस वाले में जैसे कि waterfall के बारे में ये
sounds. It has like sounds of rain in it, the birds, and the tempo is like slow, so that makes your nervous system feel more safe.
Did you compose it yourself?
Yeah, I play guitar, so
Oh, you're a musician.
and ever since I was a kid, I was very fond of these gadgets and devices.
Okay.
And using like popsicle sticks and pencils, DIYs. So I thought I'll put those skills to use to create something that can help the community of Pakistan,
Okay.
especially those who are in a poor financial condition.
Okay, all right.
Using affordable materials, I created this product which stores the sun's energy into these batteries,
Okay.
which can later be used at any given moment to charge a phone and
Have you
any
tested
other
it?
device.
Are you
Yeah.
able to generate solar through it? Oh wow, that's brilliant. So how did you do this?
These are the materials I use,
Okay.
and basically these solar panels give a 12 volts output,
Okay.
and then since these cells are only 3.7 volts each,
Okay.
this module gets
Alright.
7.2 volts, which then steps it down to around 5 volts, which is what a phone needs to charge.
Oh wow, that's brilliant. What's your name?
Abdurrahman.
Abdur Rahman. Good luck, Abdur. That's brilliant. Assalamualaikum. What's your project about?
So my project is about black holes,
Okay.
and now we can harness energy from them.
Okay.
So I was tired of like all the generic energy sources like solar, hydro, and like
Okay.
wind. So I took black holes because it's unique and like it's a topic which hasn't been talked about a lot in education or research in
Okay.
universities. So I chose this as an energy source, so I compiled it in this number here. So the Penrose process uses rotating black hole to get energy. Dazzling, which is a mega structure which absorbs the heat energy.
Alright.
Observation, which like is the black hole slowly loses its mass.
Okay.
So I compile all this information in a documentary which I made. So the documentary is simple. It's in novice terms. So for people 15 years old and above, people should be able to understand.
Okay. What's the product? It's a documentary?
Yeah, it's a documentary.
Okay. Have you produced it already?
Yeah, it's made, but it doesn't work properly on this. You can go on the QR code over there.
All
scan it, and
right.
then
Have you uploaded it somewhere?
it's on YouTube.
You?
I think
Acha, acha, acha. Okay, okay. What's your name? What's your name?
yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Good luck. Yeah. Good luck. That's brilliant.
So my project is on natural skincare for all skin types and mainly focusing on sensitive and acne-prone skin. During 2024 and the start of 2025, my skin was really bad and I was suffering from a lot of acne and I was very insecure about it.
Okay, all right.
I didn't like going out at all. Putting makeup on was really bad because I love putting makeup on.
All right.
And I'm really interested in all of and I tried all skincares. I tried Korean skincare. Any skincare you can name it, I tried, but it didn't help. It made it even worse. My family and I, we decided to finally find a solution to my problem. We formulated a natural soap this one is mainly for sensitive skin and acne-prone skin.
Okay.
But we created soaps for different skin types. So the first soap I ever made was a neem soap.
Neem soap. Okay.
Yes. And
Neem is what? A plant or something?
neem is like it's just these leaves that have a lot of antibacterial properties.
Okay.
And I created a soap out of them. So I first started with herbal infusion, which is finding your base oil. My base oil was olive oil. And I added neem paste and neem powder into this.
Okay.
and then I let it rest for 2 to 3 days so that the oil can absorb all of the nutrients.
Okay, all right.
And then after that, on the 3rd day or 2nd day,
As someone who's been interested in art and wants to go into the art industry in the future, AI as a development has been like kind of a scary thing for me because a lot of the time it's easier to just AI generate something rather than get like a human artist to spend time and energy.
Okay.
And then you have, it's under the title of
Project Pre-Fuel.
Okay.
It's a pre-workout energy drink. It's designed specifically for teens and young adults my age. And the personal connection to this is that my own experience when I felt exhausted before my workouts. And the goal, my learning goal, it's about how the natural ingredients they affect endurance, energy, and performance in the gym. And I want to explore how different ingredient combinations allow for sustained energy without.
Acha, tell me, how does it contribute towards the developmental goals? How does it contribute towards the developmental goals?
So the goal is SDG3.
Acha.
So this promotes exercise and a good healthy lifestyle. So that's how it connects to my goal.
So how is it different from any other energy drink in the market?
It's natural, homemade.
Acha.
Easy to consume and it's healthy and the results on the target audience were quite positive. So that's why I believe my product is successful and
No, pura let me first take a sip, see if it's edible or not. Did you try it yourself?
yeah.
Do you like
I tried
it? Do you like it?
Yeah, it's good.
But just a sip, just a sip. Okay.
It's like coffee caramel type of
It's good. बहुत अच्छा. It's really good. It would best be served and chilled. Taste is good.
वो अभी तो that's
Anini, it's good. You've done a good job. Feedback ठीक है?
feedback ठीक है.
चलो, wonderful. कब तक हो यहाँ पे आप?
हाँ?
कब तक हो यहाँ पे?
2:30 बजे तक.
अच्छा.
सुबह.
For everyone.
Okay,
The
okay.
main problem is that people don't really like drinking. Not people, me and other children don't really like plain water. They prefer sugary and carbonated drinks over
Right.
it, which obviously disrupts the immune system. We're in such a growing age, we need our minerals in our body to function. So the first step was to research about the minerals, the required minerals to carry out the processes in our body, such as electrolyte balance, muscle function, and pH balance, and etc. in our internal body. I went on to the WHO's website, looked at the TDS guidelines for safe drinking water.
since you're over the live there. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Okay, so Sharon, do you want me to explain my project? And over there at the back, you can see the night suit. The first one was very uncomfortable. The material was not nice, and the pants fit like a shalwar. The second one, it was very unflattering. The fit of it and the nala was I did not like it at all because it was very Pakistani style. And the third one was too long. The lapels I didn't like. And the
Contribute to the developmental goals.
so basically, the gender equality is the goal, right?
All
so,
right,
So Radhe makes the night suits in Lahore, but the customization, like if you want to buy a night suit for example, Parisa, then you will place an order.
Start doing exams.
Yeah.
And we're not prepared for college. Like, when we're 18, we go to college. We have no idea what to do, right? So, like, this book is really to prepare. It's a generalized idea. Like, it's
बोलो.
जैसा अब जो लास्ट में जैसा होता है कि जो पेरेंट्स आए ना लास्ट टाइम